UAE corporate tax myths and facts. Before we jump into the myths, let's understand one important truth. The UAE introduced a federal corporate tax law that applies to financial year starting on or after 1st June 2023. For many years, the UAE was known as a zero tax environment for most business, but that perception still exists. But it's no longer fully accurate. The UAE now has structured corporate tax system aligned with global standards. However, compared to many other countries, it remains highly competitive and business friendly. Now let's clear up some of the biggest myths. Myth number 1. Corporate tax in UAE is charged on your profit. This is one of the biggest misunderstandings. Corporate tax in UAE is not simply charged on the profit shown in your financial statement. It is charged on the taxable income. Your accounting profit is calculated under accounting standards like IFRS. It reflects your company performance, that is revenue minus expense. But tax laws has its own rules. For tax purpose, first, some expenses recorded in the books may not be fully deductible. Second point, some type of income may be exempt. Third, certain provisions, depreciation methods or related party transactions may treat it differently. After making this adjustment under the corporate tax law, the final figure is called taxable income. That is the amount on which corporate tax is calculated. So if a business simply looks at its net profit and applies the tax rate, it could be calculating it incorrectly. Understanding the difference between accounting profit and taxable income is essential for compliance and proper tax planning. Myth number 2. Free zone companies are automatically exempt from corporate tax. Many business owners in free zone believe they don't need to worry about the corporate tax at all. That's not correct. Free zone company must still register for corporate tax, maintaining proper accounting records, file corporate tax returns. Free zone companies can benefit from 0% corporate tax rate, but only on qualifying income and only if they meet specific conditions under the law. They must qualify as a qualifying free zone person and their income must fall within a defined categories. If they fail to meet the conditions, they may subject to standards corporate tax rate. Myth number 3. Only large corporations need to worry about the corporate tax. Some small business owners think corporate tax only applies to big MNCs. That's not true. Corporate tax applies to all the taxable person in the UAE, whether you are a large corporation or a growing SME or even a startup. There is a threshold structure, which means smaller business may end up paying the tax if their taxable income is below the certain level. However, even if no tax is payable, registration and compliance are still required. This is very important. Even small business must register, maintain proper books and file returns. Corporate tax is not just for large enterprises. It applies across the board. Myth number 4. If I am not paying taxes, I don't need to register. Another common misconception is that registration is only required if tax is payable. In reality, corporate tax registration is compulsory for all the business that falls within the scope of law, regardless of whether they expect to pay taxes. Even if the taxable income is below the threshold, you must register with the Federal Tax Authority, maintain proper records and submit tax return when required. Failure to register or comply can lead to penalties. So the registration is about legal compliance, not just the payment. Myth number 5. Informal bookkeeping is fine. It can be fixed later. Some business still operate with informal or weak accounting systems. They believe the finance team or the consultant can fix everything at the year end. This approach is risky under the corporate tax regime. Since corporate tax is calculated on taxable income derived from the financial records, inaccurate bookkeeping can result in incorrect tax calculations, missed deductions, audit risk, penalties. Business are required to maintain proper accounting records, generally in line with IFRS standards, and keep supporting documents. Corporate tax makes good accounting no longer optional. It is essential. Myth number 6. Free zone companies can automatically offset mainland losses. Another misunderstanding relates to the tax grouping and the loss offset. If a free zone company chooses to benefit from the 0% corporate tax regime, it cannot automatically form a tax group with the mainland company to offset losses. Tax grouping is subject to specific ownership and the eligible conditions. In certain cases, if a free zone entity opts out of 0% regime and meets the required conditions, grouping may be possible, but it's not automatic. It requires carefully restructuring business with both mainland and the free zone entity. Should review their structure carefully rather than assume losses can be freely offset. Myth number 7. Corporate tax makes a UAE less attractive for the business. At first glance, some people feel the introducing of corporate tax reduces the UAE competitive advantage. However, the introduction of corporate tax aligns the UAE with international standards and global transparency frameworks. This strengthens the country's position as a credible and stable global business hub. At the same time, the corporate tax rate remains competitive compared to any other jurisdictions. The threshold system supports small business. Free zone incentives still exist under defined conditions. Rather than reducing the attractiveness, the corporate tax system enhances long-term sustainability and international confidence. The key takeaway in this: corporate tax in the UAE is structured, regulated, and compliance-driven. It is not simply a flat tax on profits. It doesn't only apply to large companies. Whether you are a mainland business or a free zone entity or a startup or an established corporation, understanding these rules, maintaining proper records, and calculating taxable income correctly is essential. Corporate tax is now part of doing business in UAE. The part that understand it early will be the ones that operate smoothly and confidently. If you are unsure how corporate tax applies to your business, now is the time to get the clarity. Speak with experts at Dhangad to review your structure and ensure you stay fully compliant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share with the business owners.